Hey guys, Evelyn here, Noranic X Loser, long time no see. So today we are going to be doing a new tutorial. I came up with this tutorial myself while trying to edit, and I haven't really had any edits coming out, but it's going to be in Sony Vegas Pro 15 or Vegas Pro 15, whatever you want to call it, and it is a vintage glitch effect. Now you will need new blue effects for this, so if you don't have it, I'm sorry, I don't have a way for you guys to get it, but you can search on YouTube to find a way to achieve it. I'm going to put a clip right now of the effect that we're going to be doing, and it's really simple and easy, and I'll show you guys how to do it. So let's get started. So of course in Vegas Pro 15 you will need to have an image or video clip. You can do it on either or. Pulled in, I have this one here. It's called Let's Remake Poster Series, which I'm going to be doing on my channel soon, where I make old posters from when I first started YouTube. So you want to drag in your image or video, and you want to go to pan crop, and you want to go ahead and right click and match output aspects so that it fits the whole screen, and then you can just like move it around until you're happy, like so. Now you want to go ahead and go into video effects, and you want to go to new blue FE film camera. So we're going to go ahead and scroll down. We're going to go to new blue FE film camera, and we're going to go ahead and click on the slight camera shake preset here. You're going to click and drag it either on your image or onto the whole track. If you're doing it for the whole track, I'm just going to pull onto my clip like so, and we're going to go ahead and leave the settings to the way they are. So the Y jitter will be 0.6, X jitter will be 0.5, color will be black, which is the border, flicker will be 9.5, and flicker rate will be 67.0. Next you want to go ahead and go to new blue FE film damage, and we're going to be clicking on bleached. You're going to click and drag it in to your onto your image or onto your film track, and we're going to change these settings completely. So we're going to go ahead and change the wear to 32.2. We're going to change the blotchy to light, and the spots we're going to change it to, well actually we're going to leave it at 90.0. Density, we're going to change it to 58.4. Depth, we're going to change it to 66.7, and white and black will stay ticked, or white and thick will stay ticked. And then we're going to go ahead and press X to exit out. Next you want to go to new blue LERGB shift, and we want to change it to explosive fidgeting. So we're going to grab the preset and drag it onto our image, and here we're going to leave the settings the way they are and exit out. And if you want to go ahead, you can just scrub over your clip and you'll see it slightly changes a little bit. You can't really tell much right away until you like render it. But now we want to go ahead and duplicate our clip. So we're going to right click on the image or track and click copy. We're going to right click in the empty space and go insert new video track, and right click on that video track and paste it above. Now we want to go ahead and black and whiten this out. So we're going to click FX black and white, drag the black white 100% down onto the image, so it would black and white the whole image out. We want to go ahead and click color curves to grab default and drag it onto the top as well, and we're just going to grab the bottom arrow, click and just drag it down to make the image darker, like so. And then you want to go ahead and hover over the little line here. It says opacity. You can do the level here and toggle this down if you want as well, but you can also do opacity also. Just click it down towards like 50% opacity, and then you want to go ahead and split this top clip as many times as you want. It's up to you. Just press S on keyboard to split, move your mouse, split, pressing S on keyboard, and repeat until you're happy. And then we want to delete every other split clip. So you want to click on one, hold Control down on your keyboard, and click every other one like so. Right click on that and delete. Now you want to go ahead and just render the clip, or you can pre-render it by pressing Shift and B on your keyboard, and it should pre-render your clip as well. It really depends on how you have your view quality. Mine's on best full right now, so it might render it all, it might not. It really depends, and it also depends on how long your clip is. So mine's is fully pre-rendered, so we could press play on our keyboard or space bar, and this is how it's gonna look. And I'm gonna also render it, and I'm gonna put the full product right here so you guys can see. And that's how we make our vintage glitch effect. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any ideas or suggestions, please leave in the comment box below. Once again, I'm so sorry for disappearing for a while, but life happens, to be honest. But I miss you guys so much. Thank you for still subscribing, liking, and commenting on my videos, and I hope to have more for you soon. Bye guys.